Hello, welcome back to my channel Beyond Tutoring, my dear students. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm here with the class 6th, 7th and 8th, that is algebraic expressions, or according to the new Ganita Prakash grade 7, the chapter's name has been renamed as expression using letter numbers. So I'm going to explain you now. I have seen that there was one author, Golden, that was the only book for extra questions that was available till September, from April 2025. But after September, last month only, two publications I had seen. One is this Ganita Prakash ka workbook by the Arya publications. This is for grade 7. And the other one is Arihant. So Arihant that I saw yesterday only, it had basically questions from the NCERT, and along with that maybe one or two more pages about some extra practice questions. So I preferred Arya book publications workbook for Ganita Prakash extra questions. So I'm going to explain you now what are algebraic expressions. Okay. So my dear students, what are algebraic expressions or expressions using letter numbers? So number and letters. So you all know that an algebraic expression is nothing but it contains both variable and constant. Okay, it contains a variable and a constant. So constant, as the word says, it has a fixed value. Okay, it can be a fixed number, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatsoever. And variable, as the name suggests, it varies or it changes. Okay, it varies or it changes. So variable takes up different values, it is not fixed. And the variables we usually refer by letters. It can be L, it can be M, it can be N, it can be X, it can be Y, it can be Z. And constant के लिए constant रहता है. So now, जब भी हमें कोई भी operations करने होते हैं, whatever arithmetic operations we are solving, we do use this variables as well as the fixed numbers, which are called as constants. Okay, so wherever the operations of addition, okay, I'll just write with the symbol. So operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, they are used on the variables. These operations are used on the variables and constants to form algebraic expressions. Okay, so to form an algebraic expression, these operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, they will be performed on variable and on the constant. Now there are different terms in these expressions also. Okay, these expressions are made up of terms. So one term expression is called as monomial. Okay, only one term. If there are two terms, it will be called as binomial. Okay, if there are three terms, it will be called as trinomial. And if there are more than that terms, more than three terms are there in a particular expression, then it is called as a polynomial. So it is consisting of different terms. One term is called as monomial. Two terms agar honge to it is called as a binomial. Similarly, 3 is called as a trinomial, and greater than 3 will be polynomial. Integers का भी. So integers का भी आपका एक revision करा देती हूँ. Plus and plus always will be added with a positive sign. Okay. But if there is a positive and a negative sign, then you are going to subtract, but sign will be put for a bigger number. Whatever bigger number is there, उसका sign लग जाएगा. For example, 8 minus 4. What will be the answer? Subtract करूंगी, 4 आ गया, साइन जिसका साइन बड़ा है, -4 है, यहाँ +8 है तो प्लस का साइन आ गया. ओके, -10 + 6, अगेन माइनस प्लस, सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगी, 4 आ गया फिर से, लेकिन साइन किसका बड़ा है? 6 के पास प्लस है, 10 के पास माइनस है, तो ये -4 हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड व्हेन माइनस एंड माइनस इज देयर, you will always add, okay, but you will put a negative sign. ठीक है, तो नेगेटिव साइन आएगा, मतलब -10 -15, तो मैं ऐड करूंगी इन दोनों फिगर्स को, दैट इज 15, और साइन भी माइनस का आएगा. So this is just brush up of your integers. Now using this integers, find the value of the algebraic expression. Okay, if a is equal to -2, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to -5. So these are the three values. So you have to find the value of the algebraic expression. Find the value of algebraic expression. Okay, a part I am doing this, -5a plus 6b and -3c. Okay, my dear children, it is -5a plus 6b minus 3c. So I am going to substitute the values of a, b and c. So -5, a का value कितना है? Into -2. This I have put in brackets. Plus 6b. So b का value कितना है? 4. ठीक है, 6 और ब्रैकेट में मैंने कर दिया 4. -3, c का वैल्यू कितना है? -5. सो मैं यहाँ पे डालने वाली हूँ -5. अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, माइनस एंड माइनस मल्टीप्लाई जब करेंगे तो वो प्लस हो जाता है. जो माइनस मैंने माइनस बोला है, और ऐड करेंगे विद द साइन ऑफ माइनस, इट इज व्हाइल वी आर एडिंग और सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, बट व्हेन वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग, minus will be positive 10. Okay, then 6 4s is 24, and then again minus and minus multiplied will again become positive sign. 5 3s is 15. So the answer is 10 plus 15 is 25, and 25 plus 24 will be giving, the answer will be 49. Okay, this was one algebraic expression that I have explained to you. Now, let me come to the other expression. Let us take this example now. -4a minus 8b plus 7c and plus 5. Okay, you know the values have been given. A ka value -2, b value is given is 4, c value given is -5. So my question says -4a minus 8b plus 7c plus 5. So -4, a का वैल्यू -2, minus 8b, b का वैल्यू कितना है? 4, और प्लस 7c, 7 के साथ c कितना है? -5, c का वैल्यू, एंड देन 5 इज अ कांस्टेंट, इट इज नॉट अ वेरिएबल, सो वो एज इट इज आ गया. ओके, जो वेरिएबल्स थे a b c, उसका वैल्यू वी हैव टू सब्सटीट्यूट, सो दैट वी आर सब्सटीट्यूटिंग. सो नाउ माइनस इंटू माइनस अगेन इज प्लस. 4 2s 8, माइनस 8 4s इज 32, प्लस एंड माइनस, सो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, यहाँ माइनस हो जाएगा. 7 5s इज 35, एंड 5 प्लस एज इट इज आ गया. सो अब हम लाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ कर देंगे, प्लस वाली इकट्ठे और माइनस वाली इकट्ठे. सो 8 प्लस 5 प्लस 8 प्लस 5 -32 -35. सो अब इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे और इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. 8 प्लस 5 इज हाउ मच? +13. और ये माइनस और माइनस क्या करना होता है? हमें ऐड करना होता है, बट हम साइन माइनस का लगाते हैं. सो 5 and 2 is 7, and 3 and 3 is 6. सो 32 plus 35 will give you 67. अब फिर प्लस एंड माइनस है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू? Whenever there is a plus and minus sign, you are going to subtract and put the sign of a bigger number. So here the bigger number is 67. सो साइन तो आ जाएगा माइनस, क्योंकि 13 का साइन जो है वो कम है. 13 इज अ स्मॉलर नंबर देन 67. सो 67 में से आपने 13 निकाला तो कितना हो गया 4. सो आउट ऑफ 7 3 goes 4, 6 में से 5 1 गया 5. सो माई आंसर विल बी -54. So do practice all the questions. I hope you understood the small topic on algebraic expressions. Okay, bye, have a good day.